This is kind of one of the main slough river creek things that runs. Oh, there's fish. Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. That's a good one. Oh, good one, good one. Hello, welcome back to Streamcatcher TV. My name is David. We're going fishing today. Ice fishing season is over. I tried to make a few ice fishing videos since the last one I made, and just didn't work out. Didn't see enough fish, didn't catch any fish. And so now we're open water fishing. I am at the local slough creek river thing, trying to catch grayling. I got my spinning rod, I got like little ice fishing jigs and spinners and stuff. I do have fly fishing gear if I want to try fly fishing. Not the best at fly fishing, but I did make a goal that this year I want to get better at it and try it more, so maybe I'll start that process early. Yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna get down to the water and start casting, so see you down there. Well, here goes nothing. Someone was just in this spot, moved out of it, so it doesn't give me a whole lot of hope, but maybe they didn't have the secret sauce. Also didn't bring my net, but should be all right. Tail keeps catching on the hook. Don't look right. Oh, I did something here. Shit. There we go. Got a loop in my line somehow. That was weird. You have a bird's nest, a spinning reel? Alright, moved up here where those other guys were, because they left, and the guy that was in the water, like up right there, did catch one, so who knows, maybe this is the spot. This is kind of one of the main slough river creek things that runs. Oh, there's fish. Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. Good one. Oh yeah, good one, good one, good one. Oh my god, that's a good one. Let's go! Probably the biggest grayling I've ever caught. Oh, let's go. Oh my god, hello sir. You're going back, relax, chill, 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 chill. And I did pinch the barbs off these, so it should fall right out. And these are very delicate fish, so I'm not gonna have them out for too long, but just want you to see how freaking, hope you can see that. How pretty is that? Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Alright, okay, you're going in, go, go, go. Yes. Yes, I caught a fish, guys. I caught a fish. Yes. Okay. Well, let's do it again. That was awesome. That was a good size too. Probably one of the bigger grayling I've ever caught. That was awesome. That was like probably within the first 10 casts at this spot. That was, God, that was awesome. I love catching fish. I mean, I love fishing, don't get me wrong. I love just the, being out here in the outdoors. No, I'm not like, super far away or anything. Probably took me 15 minutes to drive here, but it's nice, just being out here and enjoying nature, and even if that doesn't include the wildlife of fish, but by golly, I love catching fish too. So, this is already a success. I also like this lure because it's really bright. This white curly-tailed grub. Oh! I think that... Man, I don't know. Because there are little bits of ice floating around. It's possible I'm just hitting those because I'm not hooking up. But I so feel like bites. Probably just because I'm reeling, so it like tightens up. Feels like a pull. Yeah, I never know whether to be more like instructional in these videos or just like come along fishing with me. Like, I don't know. Now, if you have any opinions, you know, either more instructional or just hanging out, I mean, let me know. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys prefer. I'm certainly not a fishing expert. That's fish. Right? Nope, no it's not. It's a tree pounder. Yeah, I'm so funny. So I don't want to patronize you guys with being like, this is a fishing pole. But if you want to see more instructional stuff, let me know. I'd be happy to try some different styles and stuff, you know? Yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. I'm happy to, you know, steal your ideas and use them. Or your suggestions. You know, I don't have, yeah, like I said, right now I'm just kind of filming my fishing trips. So, if there's anything else you want to see, let me know. Oh, that was for sure a fish. No question about it, that was a bite. The last ones where there was like pieces of ice, I'm pretty sure it was because when I pulled it, I think my line was over top of the piece of ice. When I pulled it, it came like up out of the water. That one stayed under the whole time and it was a solid pull. That was a bite. Man, this is fun. So, what the hell is that? Oh, weird. Uh-oh. Oh, it's fish. Come here, fish. I don't see him yet. Oh, there he is. Another nice sized one. Look at that. Alright, easy, 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 easy. Man, he handled that grub. I'll get this. Stop. I'm not gonna hurt you. You're going back, you're going back, you're going back. Just don't want to get out. It would be the worst. Ah, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Hold him in the water a second. See that fin? God, beautiful fish. Look at that. Beautiful. Great size. There you go. There he goes. Awesome. Too freaking cool. Alright. That's 2 fish. What the hell just flew into the water right there? That is a giant freaking bug. I'll show you guys. He's swimming down to me. Gross. So gross. I really don't like bugs. That's why I live in Alaska. Look at this freaking bug. Look at how disgusting this thing is. God. Oh my god, he's like actually swimming. Is he feeding? What's he doing? God, that's gross. Don't think it's a bad lure. I think it would still probably work, but hasn't caught a fish in a while, so we are going to make a change. I'm not sure I've ever actually used this lure, but Pop swears by it, so And the average size we're catching is pretty good. So I don't think it'll be too big. It is kind of big, but mostly I can just look how much further I can cast. There's so much more water. Big flash. Just get some bites. Because the ones I were hooking were pretty far out there. Yeah, it's a little copper spoon. The red eye. Apparently that's important. I'm gonna chuck her out there. I think it might be too big. Nope, it's not. I think I'm recording. That was the, I think, second or third cast with this lure. I got smoked. Oh yeah. Not as big, but lure's definitely not too big. Hell yes. Okay, you're going back, you're going back. Okay. Beautiful fish here. Got this fin up. Beautiful. Okay. Oh yeah, he's good. Yeah, that was literally like the second or third cast with this lure. And it's definitely the smaller of the 3 fish I caught today. Hammered it. I might leave so these people have a place to fish and I can go find a spot with those people. I think after this I'm going to do one last cast and then I'm going to go to a different spot. Alright. It's time to find a new spot. I'm just going to go upstream a little bit and see what I can't find, so see you there. It's a good dog. Oh, he's a good dog. That's a good dog. Oh my god. One just followed it. One just followed it for sure. I cast it up into this flat. Undoubtedly saw a fish, saw a grayling follow it. He definitely followed it like all the way to my rod tip. There's like a shallow flat and then a deeper spot right here. So I'm gonna stay, cast through this deeper spot. I mean, Grayling can live in fast water, obviously. I mean, it's not gonna hurt them. I just don't know that they would want to be in it. Maybe the deeper spot right next to it is where they want to hang out. I don't know. I'm going to switch to the grub. Confidence bait time. This is definitely my confidence bait. Yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite spots, mostly because I've caught fish here before. Grass or weeds or anything. That spot's a little deeper. Fish just followed it, so it's shallow right there, but it's deeper right here along this side, and he followed it and I saw him turn. There's kind of a deeper shelf right here around this shallow flat, so I'm trying to cast it up onto the shallow flat. But then as it gets to the deeper spot, like let it sink and kind of twitch it see if I can get a fish to commit. I've definitely seen, I guess it could have been the same fish, but 2 instances of fish. One followed that spoon, and one followed, and I don't know if he swiped at it or if he just turned away, but I saw him turn. I think that's the right retrieve. It's just not working. Oh, he had it. Oh, dude. Oh, he had it. That was a nice fish. All right, 5 more casts. And then I think we're just gonna go straight to the far. Oh my god. I saw him looking at it. And I could see like the outline of his fins for a second. He just doesn't want to hit this jig. Or, well, he did hit it a couple times. We just haven't connected. Alright, 2 more casts here, and then we're gonna go check the other spot. Alright, last cast, fish, as long as it's a good one. Oh yeah. Dang. Well, good to know that there's still fish here, still a little pocket. We're gonna go check out the last spot and hope we can see fish there. So see you there. We're at the other spot. Ooh, it's a little sketchy and there's not a great place to stand, so I might go over here. Super clear water. Super duper clear water. It looks pretty fishy. Going to try this side. And this is the last spot we're trying today. Hopefully we can make something happen, because that would be pretty cool. There's a power line right there with all kinds of hooks on it. I just noticed that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right over the culvert there's, it's like pike gear, some big freaking treble hooks. Oh. Okay. Oh shit, I did go over top of it. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Got it. Well, my GoPro died, but it was about time for me to go anyway, and I did a few last casts, of course, and nothing happened. So you probably can't hear me at all. I'll do this in the car. Okay, that's better. I can't tell you how excited I am. I caught fish for a video. I haven't done that in a month and a half. I'm so excited. Definitely a spot that I would like to try again, do more videos there, and a spot that would be a great opportunity to practice my fly fishing. Most of the other people there were fly fishing, and it seems like a good spot. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos on fly fishing for beginners. I haven't done a whole lot of it. I've done a little bit of it. I have caught fish fly fishing before. I have caught grayling fly fishing before, but they were all very, very small. So maybe I can get hooked into a pretty big one on the fly. That would be pretty cool. Well, if you liked what you saw here, and you'd like to see more of it, please like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell, all that. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see. I don't really have a direction. I know I talked about this before, but like a direction for this channel. I'm just kind of filming what I'm doing. So if you want to see, you know, specific things, you want to see more, you know, river, creek, slough fishing, if you want to see catch and cook, that's something I want to do. Let me know down in the comments. I will respond. I will, you know, engage with you guys, and for the most part, to the best of my ability, film and do what you guys want to see me doing. But I think with that, it's time to wrap this up. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I'm David with Streamcatcher TV. Still don't have a cool sign-off saying. So until next time, thank you.